Vagaries of V and W. English pronunciations are swarming in V's. One has to practice much more than twice. But anyone can master only if they persevere. Through repetitions, one becomes very wise. Poem number 2. People wonder what makes Jamal so vain. Perhaps pride simply overflows in his vein. Exams he fails, followed by wails, and for a little while his vanity is on the wane. Poem number 3. The little rascals made the teacher weary, teasing, taunting, and vaunting with wild glee. Some would scrawl, others would brawl, make her raise a voice sounding very angry. Poem number 4. When you vault and win, everyone says wow. Though deep beneath, jealousy makes them vow to stand in your way like you are a bird of prey. They whine and vent, taking you down somehow.